Come to your max 1/3 part. Right straight. Let's start. सांस लेते हुए दोनों हाथ ऊपर. Bend backward as much as you can. सांस छोड़ते हुए bend forward. Knees straight. सांस लेते हुए come up. सांस छोड़ते हुए Utkatasan. Hold. सांस लेते हुए raise your both hands up. सांस छोड़ते हुए हाथ fold कीजिए. Fold your knee. Twist your body and look up. नजरें ऊपर. Hold. Now both hands down. Fold your knee. Go to Ashwa Sanchalanasan. Look forward. सांस लेते हुए raise your one hand up. सांस छोड़ते हुए हाथ नीचे. सांस लेते हुए raise your other hand up. सांस छोड़ते हुए हाथ नीचे. दोनों पैर पीछे. Full plank. From full plank to go to downward dog. Adho Mukham Shavanasan. Keep your knees straight. Head down. Now raise your one leg up. And fold your leg. Touch your knee. Hold. Now raise your same leg up. And drop. Same with the other leg. दूसरे पैर को सांस लेते हुए ऊपर उठाइए. Hold. Touch your elbow with the knee. Hold. Now come up. And drop the leg. यहीं से upward dog. Flat your legs. Flat your foot. Hands straight. Hold. Now drop your knee. Makarasan. Rest your chin on your palm. Hands on your chest, where hands beside your chest. Come to upward dog again. Hands straight. Downward dog. Now bring your other leg up. Ashwa Sanchalanasan. Raise your one hand up. सांस छोड़ते हुए हाथ नीचे. Raise your opposite hand up. Again hands down. Bring your both legs forward. Bend your knee. दोनों हाथों को fold करेंगे. And twist on the opposite side. आपकी नजरें ऊपर. Hold. Now breathe. Both hands down. Come to Utkatasan. Hold. Again, forward bending. सांस लेते हुए come up.